देखिए, we stand here the day before the opening, which is tomorrow morning. तो कल सुबह हमारी IPEX की opening हो रही है. We have shared a full detailed schedule that everybody should be aware of. The IPEX is going to open up at 10 a.m. Park China Center on the 1st of May, Friday. We're here to welcome everyone, including the chief guest who will be doing the ribbon cutting early in the morning. We have multiple things going on at the moment. It's वक्त everybody, all the conveners are busy doing their own relative things. The auditorium right now is assigned to the forum. The forum speakers, which are including a lot of our senior architects, our keynote speaker, who's a Japanese, George, who has also flown into Islamabad last night. Kamil Khan Mumtaz has arrived. Taimur Khan Mumtaz has arrived. Kamil Khan is going to be talking on the panel tomorrow, जो यहाँ पे 3 बजे हमारी second shift of opening होगी auditorium के अंदर, which is the panel. The panel is going to consist of 7 senior architects, which are going to include Kamil Khan Mumtaz, Nayyar Ali Dada, Karachi se ASA se Shahid Abdullah Saab. We're going to have Nasir Iqbal Saab. We're going to have Azhar Swalehi Saab. We're going to have Ijaz Qadri Saab. All these people are renowned people from different backgrounds. जो आर्किटेक्चर फॉर ऑल का सेगमेंट है ना, वी ट्राइड टू ओपन इट अप इनटू मल्टीपल डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. इस वक्त मैं आपको फोरम की बात कर रही हूँ जो इंटेलेक्चुअल मटेरियल है, विच इज फॉर द क्रिएटिव माइंड्स, विच इज फॉर द आर्किटेक्ट्स, विच इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, विच इज फॉर integrating the profession together, and of course listening to and learning from these people who are leading voices in the profession in Pakistan today. An announcement of our competition project with the Supreme Court of Pakistan. We will have a representation from the court also. We have simultaneously multiple things going on. हमारे बाहर hall के अंदर our industry partners are setting up their stalls. There is a great amount of creativity, there's a great amount of input, there's a great amount of hard work. Please come visit these stalls, see what there is. Uske ilawa, we have workshops going on. Taimur Khan Mumtaz is here giving a workshop on geometry. Then we have a workshop on biomimicry, it is model making. Then we have हमारा alternative architecture के अंदर urban flooring का एक और workshop हो रहा है. These workshops are going to initiate tomorrow. They're going to begin tomorrow, which is Friday. We have the art and craft segment being set up right now. We have tons of artists who are going to display their artworks, their relief work, their sculpture works. Then we have people coming in from the salt mine production, because that is also integrated with architecture in its own way. Then we have people coming in from the Gandhara, from Taxila, who are bringing in stonework. Then we have lots of people, we have a couple of creative minds who are displaying their products. They have resin furniture, there are unique engraved furnitures with semi-precious stones, architecture portfolio which is also there. We have lots of architects who have displayed their work out here. When you go up into the hall, you take a right and you turn into these triangulative, fabulous structures designed by our convener, Portfolio Neha. You will be able to see people's works. Please come and visit these. Then we have our podcast going on. So there's tons of activity. And we begin tomorrow. Right now we're in preparation, and I am looking forward to all of Islamabad coming in and being with us.